Is this your final decision as that you wish to plead guilty in the presence of the jury?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
That was a surprise today in the trial of a former FedEx driver accused of kidnapping and strangling little 7-year-old Athena Strand. Tanner Horner pleading guilty as the trial was just getting underway. Scoop Jefferson is with us now with what comes next here after a huge day in court there with that big surprise earlier today, Scoop.
Yeah, Jason, that was a big surprise. The weight of what happened to Athena Strand is more heartbreaking as jurors listen to their first day of testimony here at the Tarrant County Courthouse. Jurors listen closely to testimony about the final moments of the life of the 7-year-old Athena Strand, which included a photo of her and Tanner Horner in his delivery truck. Prosecutors walked through the investigation step by step, focusing on what led them to Horner. The former FedEx driver used a guilty plea to admit he killed Athena on November 30th, 2022, after delivering a package to her family's home in Paradise. The judge decided to go straight to the sentencing phase of the trial. Some of the first witnesses called include the local and federal law enforcement who helped build the case against Horner.
We recognize that that there was a package that was delivered, and that we should be aware that driver pulled in there about the same time that she went missing.
During the afternoon of the 2nd, we obtained video from Velociter, which is the company that runs the dash cams. It was a phone screen recording of a video of Mr. Horner placing a small girl into the back of his FedEx van.
During court, Tanner Horner showed little to no emotion, only dropping his head when some of the evidence photos were shown to the jury. His attorneys blamed Tanner's autism diagnosis that led him to commit this heinous crime, hoping the jury will spare him the death penalty and sentence him to life in prison. When testimony continues tomorrow, it will be a much tougher day in court because jurors will start watching videos connected to this case. The judge has set aside 3 weeks for the sentencing phase. Jason, back to you.
All right, Scoop, thank you for bringing us up to speed there. Ahead of today's trial, we spoke with Athena's mother about the pursuit for justice here. You can watch the entire extended interview on our free streaming app, WFAA+. We will also be streaming our live coverage of the punishment phase of this trial from beginning to end. Download WFAA+ to your TV to start watching that.